Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget. Go Gadget go. Go Gadget go. Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget.
Yes, indeed, Penny. A good, healthy breakfast is what we need to start the day. Proper nutrition. That's what keeps me on my toes. And as Metro City's #1 detective agent, I've got to be on my toes every instant of the day. Excuse me, Chief. You have to be constantly alert. Never overlook anything. Be able to move into action at a moment's notice.
Uncle Gadget.
Chief Quimby, what are you doing in there?
Here, read this.
Ex fundayive duff vinvloof ib. Ultra luxury cruise begins today. Wealthiest people in the world will be aboard. This message will self-destruct in 30 seconds. Oh, Chief, I couldn't. I don't have a thing to wear.
It's not an invitation, it's a mission. The guest list includes the most influential people in the world, and they'll be wearing millions of dollars worth of exotic jewels. I want you to protect those jewels from Dr. Claw.
Right, Chief. Leave it to me.
And remember, Gadget, no one must suspect you're on the boat. We don't want to upset the passengers.
Don't worry, Chief.
And keep the message this time.
No thanks, Chief. It's all in the old memory bank.
Oh, no.
You will never get there, Gadget. A mad milkman will take care of your health.
Time for your milk, Inspector Gadget.
I must make sure that each one of my gadgets is in perfect order. Oh. Many hands make light work. Everything's in tip-top shape. Funny, this is the first ticking milk bottle I've ever seen. What will they think of next? Penny, here's the milk. Penny, finish your breakfast and then off to school. I don't want you to be late.
But it's Saturday.
Not a moment to lose. I've got to get to the boat. Claw will stop at nothing to get those jewels. Nice day for a walk anyway. Taxi! Taxi!
Come on, Brain. We're going on a cruise. Uncle Gadget might need some help.
Soon, Mad Cat, the most valuable jewels in the world will be mine. I said mine. Are the agents in place yet?
Almost, Dr. Claw. We're replacing the crew.
Quickly, the ship is set to depart soon.
Yes, Dr. Claw.
Shoo, shoo, go away, bird. Quiet, shh. Go away, bird. Go find a chicken to play with. This is a top secret assignment. Wowzers! Huh. Not a sign of Dr. Claw or his evil mad agents. I'd better sneak on board and make sure the passengers' jewels are safe. Go away, bird! Leave me alone! Go catch some fish, shoo!
Look, Brain. It's Uncle Gadget. We've got to get on board before the ship leaves. But how?
Hey, you!
Yes?
Do you have an invitation?
Of course I do.
Well, let's see it then.
See what?
Your invitation.
Why, certainly.
Quick, get it. I'm stuck. Oh, fuck. Hey, this ain't an invitation. It's a laundry ticket.
So they want to play rough, eh? Well, they're no match for Inspector Gadget. Go, go, Gadget legs! Whoa!
That's it, Brain. All we have to do is hide in the luggage, and that crane will take us up to the ship. Uncle Gadget must be on board by now. We've got to find something to hide in. This should do. Help me get the top off. Now remember, Brain, once we get on board, you've got to find Uncle Gadget. And don't let him out of your sight. Understand?
Uh-oh.
I'll search the ship and see if Dr. Claw's on board.
I'm beginning to dislike you, bird. Go, Gadget Copter! No, no, go away! No, no! Gadget saved the day again.
Follow him, Brain.
Just as I suspected. A highly suspicious situation with a highly suspicious group of people. I'll get to the bottom of it, or my name isn't Inspector Gadget. Allow me.
Why, thank you.
A lot of strange weather we're having.
Yes.
Notice anything suspicious about it? A lot of nice jewelry here. Sure like to get my claws on them.
Excuse me. I have to be somewhere else.
Not very friendly. I'll have to keep my eye on that one.
I don't understand. The signal is coming from there, but there's nothing here. Uh-oh. A secret door? No wonder I couldn't find anything. Gosh.
Very suspicious.
Just what is it you're doing?
Ah, who, me? Nothing. Why do you ask?
You're ruining my drink.
Don't worry.
Cheers!
There you go. Just as I suspected. Fingerprints. I'll keep this for further inspection.
Are the men ready to proceed?
Yes, Dr. Claw. They're waiting for your command.
Fine. Once the jewels are collected, have them brought here immediately.
Yes, Dr. Claw.
Have patience, Mad Cat. Soon millions of dollars worth of precious gems will be in my hands.
Dr. Claw's gonna steal all the passengers' jewels. Brain, are you ready for some action? What's the matter? Did you lose Uncle Gadget? Then you better find him. Dr. Claw's on board and he's about to steal the jewels. I've been robbed!
Don't anyone move. I'm putting this entire ship under arrest.
Dr. Claw's men must have stolen the jewels when the lights went off. The lights are back on. Dr. Claw must already have the jewelry.
So, what do we have here?
Uh-oh. You can't do this. Put me down, you
Oh, I
big
don't
bully.
think so. I think you should come with me.
So, you got my old friend Gadget's niece.
Oh, she was spying on us, Dr. Claw.
Well, dispose of her for a moment. We must prepare for our departure.
Come on, little girl. I've got just the place for you. Get in there.
Ow! Gadget and Brain don't get here in time, Dr. Claw will escape with the jewels and I'll... Brain, I've been caught by Dr. Claw. They've locked me in a cage in the boiler room. They have the stolen jewels. You've got to get Uncle Gadget down here somehow. There's a secret passage at the back of the boat. Here's what you do.
Let's see now. Where were you when the lights went out?
Right here.
And where were you?
Here.
We were all here.
Just as I suspected. A remarkable recovery shows what an alert mind can do.
The submarine is in sight. Our rendezvous with the mad submarine will happen shortly. Once the jewels are safely aboard, we will have to get rid of excess baggage. First the crew.
Go Magna Glass. Go Magna Glass. Whoa, yeah.
Quickly, it's time to lighten our load, get rid of the crew, and our unexpected guest.
It will be a pleasure, I'm sure.
You'll never get away with this.
Save your breath, Gadget. You'll need it. Now, Inspector Gadget, you can swim.
Brain, we've got to save Uncle Gadget.
Go Gadget Aqualung. No.
Brain, the ropes.
Ow, yeah!
Quick, I have to call Chief Quimby.
Forget it.
Thank you. Chief Quimby will be here in a minute, Brain.
Hey!
The submarine is in place. Take the jewels on board.
Go Gadget.
Uncle Gadget!
Tooey.
I've got to stop that crane.
Torture will get you nowhere, Claw. I'll never tell anything.
Chief Quimby!
Congratulations, Gadget. I don't know how you did it, but you did.
That makes two of us, Chief. Penny, what are you doing here?
Well, we were.
Never mind. Chief Quimby brought you around to see your old uncle in action. Well, I hope you weren't disappointed.
Oh, no, Uncle, I wasn't disappointed. You are wonderful.
Thanks, Penny. Take him away, Chief.
We've got the jewels and the mad agents have been arrested. But unfortunately, we didn't find Dr. Claw.
You won today, Gadget, but I'll be back. I'll be back.
I'm so proud of you.
Yes, Penny, as I always said, it's an amazing thing what an alert mind can do. And what is one of the best ways to stay alert, Penny?
Nutrition, proper food.
That's right, Penny. A good mind and a healthy body is a necessity. Take swimming, for example. Swimming is good for every part of your body. Back, shoulders, arms, and legs.
But Uncle Gadget, the pool doesn't have any water.
See, Penny? Constantly alert.